And let me get under here and show you what we're gonna do. I gotta get the bolts. There's 16 bolts all the way around. I'm gonna take that cover off. I don't know if you can see it. There's a cover right there. I'll take that off, make it easier. You gotta drop, you got the exhaust in the way, so we'll see how that works out. So let's start doing that, see what we can come up with. I'll show you what I do after I get done. But I got 2 bolts right here on the side cover. They're 13s. Just loosen them up, get that out the way. There we go. So I'll get my hand in here. This is a deep pan tranny, so when I get a filter for it, I gotta make sure I get the deep pan filter. Alright, now this side heat shield is pretty much removed. We'll set this to the side. And I gotta put this back in the way. Hopefully I can still see. And I can start loosening up these bolts here. I need to get better organized here. Have to figure out a way to get these back here. I'm gonna have to get a swivel and some other stuff. These I think I could probably get. Yeah, I can get these here. And I might take that bracket off over here. It looks like it might get in the way. If it does, I'll take it off. All right, let me go get a swivel. So I gotta get this one screw under this pipe off. There's a screw right there, and it's right in the way, so I can get a swivel on that one and I get it off. So I'll probably just come back with the pan off on the next video here, on the next shoot. So let me just do that. Okay. I got the pan dropped. Now, this is basic use. You see the magnet's got trash on it. You know, the fluid wasn't too bad. I mean, I've seen worse. It don't smell burnt, so that's a good thing. I'm just doing a basic tune-up here. You see the filter. It don't have no metal sparkles or anything, so that's good. It's not metallic stuff in it, so you know, just a basic tune-up type for tranny. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean all this up, get this gasket off. I'm gonna run down to the auto parts store and go get another filter and gasket, and then wipe the bottom of the transmission down, and I'll put it back together. Y'all can look at other videos and see how to do it. I don't need to really record any of that on how to put it back in, you know, but just showing you basic that you can drop the pan and change your filter at the house. You don't need to go to no shop to do it. But let me get to the auto parts store and get this cleaned up, and I'll pick up another video after that and see what we do. Okay, we got the pan cleaned out. I got a filter, you know, it's coming with the seal that goes up to the pump inside the transmission, which I'm gonna have to go get that one out. It seemed kind of loose, so I'm thinking they just reused the old one in there. I'm gonna take it out. This here, what I'm gonna do, flip it over, and what I like to do, 3M spray, just spray it down, let it sit. And what I'm gonna do is get back underneath, and like I said, go take this one out of the pump and the top of the transmission right now. And I guess when I get done doing that, I'll stick this gasket back to the pan, and we'll go ahead and go look at what we got underneath the transmission now and put it in. So let me go get that seal out and we'll start from there. Okay, I keep forgetting I'm recording a video here, but this is the seal that goes up in the power steering, I mean the pump of the transmission. And what you do is you get like a screwdriver, that's what I have here, and I pried it open and bent it to where it pops out and put a new one in. And like I said, I forgot to record it, so you don't get to see none of it. Sorry. But the pan's back up in there. Hopefully, if I keep making videos, I'm gonna start remembering to record everything. Like I said, this is just what I do. This is not a how-to video or nothing like that for people. This is just something I'm doing that you can do. Just see what happens with these videos if I keep making them. Okay, I started early on now again. I'm sorry. Draining transfer case oil. Man, I gotta invest in the light so y'all can see better. There's a plug here, another one up there, a fill plug. I don't know if y'all can see it. This is a drain plug here. You know, you just take it out. I don't know if there's any more left in it, but yeah, you see, just drain it out. Get the stuff out of there once you get done. Hopefully y'all can see this. I should have checked this up a little bit better, but you gotta have it on flat ground to be able to make sure you get the right amount in there. Alright. I got a little pump to pump the stuff up in there, but I don't think it's gonna work with what I got for the fluid, the quartz I got. I'm not sure. Bring this out the way. Okay, that's good enough. But let's see, up here, see if I can get you up there better. I don't know where y'all can see. You take this plug out, and that's where you fill it, which I don't know if I'm going to show y'all, video it all. This seems like it's going to be a little complicated because I ain't got room where I'm at to try to fill it. I'm gonna try so y'all can see. I'm not gonna promise y'all nothing. Maybe I go on the other side. I don't know. Let me see what I can do here. All right, I'm back. Here we go. Let's see. Am I gonna have room to do this? Put it up here. Oh, I bumped y'all. Put it up there and squirt it in there. Yeah, we might be able to do it. I don't know if y'all can see. My light went out on the camera here. I think it's still recording, but where can I put y'all where y'all can see better? Or try put a little bit in there, and then I might just move it because I don't think it's really gonna be feasible for y'all to see what I'm doing here. But see, there we go. So I got my arm blocked, but y'all can see up there what I'm doing. But in order to do it, oh no, hold on. Let me move y'all. I'm gonna have to move y'all out the way. But that's what you're gonna have to do to put the transfer case oil in there, and that's what I'm doing now. You see it's black and nasty, so I'll put fresh stuff in it. This is the 5.3 liter 08 SAAB, but that's pretty much what I was going to show y'all in there. And then I probably come back because I got to put a on the gear shift up here. There's a little bushing, little plastic bushing I got to put on. I'll just come back and show you how to do that. And let me just go ahead and turn it off right now where I'm at. Okay, we're back. This is what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna put a bushing on this thing here. This is what we're using here. I don't know if you can see it. Already a little description. This is a shifter. It says shift linkage bushing kit. Alright, I'm gonna make it quick because I got mosquitoes out. The orange ones are the bushings I'm gonna put on there. So let's see if I can get you lined up here. Let me get the stuff out of the box. Like I said, these mosquitoes are bad. Okay, what we're gonna do is install this with the fat end here up against the thing here. So we'll put this in there.
Sausages in their fridge, can I put them in the freezer?
Yeah. Oh man, mosquitoes. Come on, dude, get in there. Is it on this one? No, I can't. It's supposed to be on this side. I don't know if I recorded that, but I got it on. I don't think it was recording when I did do that. But yeah, I got the fat end pushed in there with the screwdriver. Then I put the other small one on and then just pushed it over and it clicked in there. Like I said, I got to run it through its paces. I got to put it in drive and a couple times park drive, make sure it's clipped on there good. But that's pretty much it for that. Well, sorry for that one, but I hope y'all enjoyed that little clip of nothing. But let me get out. That's gonna be it for that video. That's for the SAAB.